Let's go. So get yourself ready. Let's move off. Now it's good practice to make sure that people are aware that we're moving off from the side of the road. So it would have been good to signal there.
Okay.
Lovely, well done, good. So let's get closer to the double yellow line so we're always on our side of the road. Good. So at the end of the road, we will be signalling left, but we will be taking the immediate left turn, which is almost a 300-degree left turn.
Yeah.
I think you know your way around here, don't you?
I mostly do, yeah.
Good, good, good.
Yeah, two gonna bus over on the right.
All right, okay.
For now.
So let's move forward a little bit more to sit on the line.
Yeah.
That's better. And when it's safe to turn. Yep, it's safe, we can go. Now we can't. Now look ahead of you at the learner car ahead of you as well.
Yeah.
So now it's safe for you to go. Let's go.
What about the learner?
He will wait for you.
Okay.
Yep, let's go. And we're taking the next road on the left, which is this one here. Now you see that bus coming up the road, we need to stop for him. Because there's not enough space for both of us to fit through at one time. Because he's bigger than me, I'm waiting for him. And now if it's safe, we're going to continue.
Yep.
Bit more to the right. Bit more to the right.
Yep.
Bit more, stay a bit more to the
I'm
right.
just letting him get through.
But we need to move to the right so they know that we intend to go through as well. So we can go through now. Bit more to the right. That's fine. Nice and slow.
Space.
Now straighten the car and gently carry on. Bit more to the right. A bit more to the right. That way. Stay to the right. That's fine. Now we're going to go over the centre bump. Remember we discussed that?
Yep.
Lovely. So we're now going to take, I believe it's the second road on the left. Second or third? Second, I believe. So it's not this one.
Yeah.
This is the first, that's the second one. A bit more gas so we're not going too slow. That's fine. Now when we turn left into this road, it's not at this first bit, it's where the second bollard is. That's for a cycle.
Yeah.
Lovely. Keep on our side of the road. Now straighten up as quick as you can with the wheel. Lovely. Now give some gas and carry on. Well done. That was good. Would you know what the speed limit is of this road?
20.
And how would you know that? How have you established that?
Partly because 20s and partly because one of those sign things that had a happy face and a sad face.
And also you'll see what they call a repeater every 100 yards down this road. So you'll see them round little signs on the side of the lamppost there. That's continuous, so you might, and you're right, they've got these here. But these won't be here for long. Them signs will disappear soon. They're only here for about 6 weeks.
Yeah.
So at the end of this road we are turning left.
Yeah, my dad takes this road to get onto the ring road. So he goes down that way as opposed to down there.
So we're turning left here, then right at the roundabout. Remember where we stop. That
Yeah.
left-hand corner. Left-hand corner. That's fine. Now look to your left, make sure there's no emergency vehicle coming through. And if it's safe, we're going to go.
Yep.
Now we're going to keep on the left, give some gas and go. Give some gas to help you straighten up the car on the new road that you're on. Now soon we're going to get to a roundabout. This is the first roundabout you've come across in your life actually. So we're going to turn right at this roundabout, and like you said, you will give way to anybody on your right coming onto the roundabout, or anybody on the roundabout that will affect you.
Yep.
So we must have our right signal on approach to the roundabout, and look at the floor markings for our lane, which turns right.
Okay.
That's good. Now reduce your speed and look to your right. Once it's safe, we'll turn right. That car needs to give way to you. Now look at the white coloured car. We can go. He's turning left, so we can go. Let's go. Michael, move the car.
Right.
Give some gas. They will wait, don't worry. So we try and go round the roundabout. That's fine, it's okay. Now straighten the car. Well done, that was good. That wasn't bad. It's your first roundabout you've done, well done. And you survived. You did well, you did absolutely fine. Well done. So we're taking the next road on the left, is that right?
Yeah.
Can I let you do that on your own?
Yeah.
That's fine. I went over your brake a little bit there. You're approaching a little bit too fast. I'm not on your brake anymore, so you're driving the car. But try and reduce your speed coming into the turn. Is it the first right or the second right?
Second, that one's a dead end.
Oh, right, okay. Now, would you need to stop for that car?
Yeah.
A little bit to right. The reason I say that is so you can see past the vehicle you're stopping behind.
Yeah.
Now, we're turning right here. Let
Yes.
people know what your intentions are. Good.
Can't see around very well.
Signal again. Now come back a little bit to the left. Now turn in. And keep on your side of the road. And now straighten your front wheels. That's lovely. Expect the unexpected. Cliche, I know. But just in case somebody flies up the road, which they do when I drive. Bit more to the left, so we're in the centre of our lane.